Welcome to the orientation on how to implement family cars in your classroom. I am Dr. Jennifer Ripley, and I'm one of the creators of the Family Cars curriculum. This is a video plus case-based learning and discussion curriculum to address religion and spirituality in family therapy. We use systems theory as the means through which to teach diversity-based skills. This approach is empirically supported. It was part of a larger study, and I hope that you will really enjoy it. That's me. If you go to our website at familycars.org, you will find all the materials there. The videos are available. They're actually on YouTube, but you can link from there. A workbook for students to complete as they are working through the material, as well as some self-evaluation questions. And if you decide you want to give a case-based test to your students, there's a rubric to evaluate students there that's also been empirically tested. I don't know about you, but every once in a while I need to be absent from my class and I want students to learn something, or I want to effectively have a class activity for diversity training that fits with my classroom. So the full Family Cars experience is an in-class experience where you would have either digitally and online live or in-class, in-person live, a 5-hour class. So it's a rather long class for diversity training, but we think that's really important. In that class, there are 5 modules, about 20-minute videos for each module, followed by small group discussions and a case study for each module where students are able to apply the things they learned in the videos to the case of a couple or a family. Students can fill out information in their workbook about it and then turn in that workbook to you. So that would be the full Family Cars in-class experience, whether digitally, online, or live in person. But if you don't have 5 hours, as many of us don't, you can also do the 3-hour version. For this one, you would have the students watch the videos ahead of class, taking notes within the workbook as they go. And then the class time would be just used for small group discussion and case study application. If you still don't have 3 hours, but you'd like to engage in this just a little bit, you could do the 1-hour introductory version. For this, you would do just module 1, which takes about an hour or a little more than an hour if you have a talkative class, which is focused on increasing awareness in religion and spirituality. For that, they watch the video and discuss the questions on the case just for module 1. And if you'd like for them to fully engage in it, they could follow up with doing modules 2 through 5 on their own, either individually or have them get into small groups and do it as homework outside of class time. Students can still turn in their workbook to show their work. Finally, if you would like to do this, but you just really have no hours whatsoever, your class is completely booked up and you have no space, but you'd like students to learn this, this can be done completely outside of class time, either individually where they work through the video and the workbook on their own, or in small groups that they meet outside of class time and work through it. It was designed and was led by graduate students all the way through when we tested it in our research. For that, they watch the video for teaching time, and they either journal if they're doing individually or discuss the questions and case study that's in the workbook for them as a group when they are working through it as a group. And then students turn in their workbook. I hope this was helpful for you to understand the various ways you can implement Family Cars in your classroom. Thank you.